Hey boys and girls, it's time for phonemic awareness. That means we're making sounds, we're listening for sounds, and you're going to echo and repeat back to me, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to listen, I'm going to say some words, and you're going to tell me whether it rhymes or doesn't rhyme. Rhymes, doesn't rhyme. Okay. How about label, table? They rhyme. Bacon, bugle. No. Simple, dimple. Music, moment. Doodle, poodle. Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to say 3 parts of words, 3 syllables, and I want you to blend them together to make a whole word. Okay? So the example is fantastic, and you say fantastic. Okay. Identify. Blend it. Identify. Respectful. Blend it. Respectful. Operate. Operate. Important. Good. Discovery. Discovery. President. Victory. Victory. Yesterday. Okay. Deliver. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to say a word and you're going to tell me the middle sound. Remember yesterday we did You're going to tell me the sound that's in the middle. Okay. So, screw, oh. Screw, oh. What's in the middle? Oh. P, oi, nt. Oi, nt. Oi, point. Gr, and d. That was terrible. Sorry. Gr, and d. So we've got and in the middle. Swift. Swift. So we're listening for the vowel sound. This is hard for me to explain a little bit, or it's just kind of a weird exercise. But you're listening for the middle vowel sound. The last example is hood. Hood. Okay. So, I'm going to say the whole word, and instead of you blending it, you're going to break it apart. That's my soy milk maker if you hear a rumbling in the background. Sorry, I forgot that was going to go crazy. Centimeter. Centimeter. So you're going to chop it into syllables. Centimeter. Video. Good. Expensive. Enormous. Honestly. Tornado. Suddenly. Okay. Detective. Yesterday. Good. Okay. Now, I'm going to say a part of the word, then you're going to add a part to the beginning. So the example is if I say pewter, add com to the beginning. What's the word? Computer. Okay? So, Asian. Add cree to the beginning. Creation. placate, placate. Add do to the beginning. Duplicate, okay? Pauline, Pauline. Add tram to the beginning. Trampoline. Timber, timber. Add sept to the beginning. September. Member, member. Add re to the beginning. Remember. Ventive, ventive. Add in to the beginning. Inventive, okay? All right, this time I'll say the whole word and you're going to delete the first syllable. Instead of putting it on, you're going to take it off, okay? Unable, unable. Take off the able. Population. Take off the population. Survival. Without sir, what's left? Bible. Cylinder. Without sil, what's left? Lender. Exchange. Exchange. Without the X, what's left? Change. Disconnect. Without dis, connect. Last one. November. Without no, what's left? Vember. Good job. Okay? Now, you're going to listen to the vowel sound in the first syllable, and then you're going to change it. So I'm going to tell you what to change it to, okay? So that would be like, say taping, change the A to A. Instead of taping, it would be tapping, okay? Here's the word. Say summer, change the to I. Summer, simmer, simmer. Say favor, change the A to E. Fever, good job. Say blister, change the I sound to Bluster. Bluster is a big strong wind. You know what a blister is, right? Say pouring, change the or to purring. Say manner, change the I to I. Minor. Minor means young or less than 18 years old. Or it can be a word in music. Or minor can be not very important, like a minor detail. Say supper. Change the to oo. Super. Say jungle. Change the to I. Jingle. Say clutter. Change the sound to clatter. Do you hear my soy milk maker? It's pretty loud and clatter. Say sleeping. Change the E to Got it? Slurping. Say many. Change the I to money. Okay. Great job, guys. I hope that you enjoy listening, because when we did this in class, you guys seem to really enjoy it. And I think it's fun too. I just wish we could be together. Okay. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.